Hi guys, today in the comments I'm going to be putting people eating KFC in this channel. Yep, you actually see it, that vegan teacher. Bro, how many videos does this guy have? 2.2k videos. Bro, Ben of the week. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to show you this video. I know it's a bit crappy because of the video editing stuff, but it's still eating KFC, so I guess it works. Couldn't really find a good one.
There's a list here that I'm working.
Vegan phobia isn't a thing. Yeah, we all know. Okay. Oh,
And today I'm
so this is so funny. What if vegan teacher actually sees this?
because I need the hand.
Yeah, we all know. Oh yeah, I did another one, but I don't think it's that good.
Because I need the hand to throw. So sometimes you won't see me. Anyway, you're gonna throw the ball.
This one's better.
Some exercise.
The
Okay?
people that made the video I'm sending have no idea what I'm using it for.
Hello, students.
Oh, this is gonna be nice. No, I don't want to do the reply. Yeah. This is so funny.
Introducing Hira Soya Chap.
Bro, how many, wait, say in the comments below how many of these links I'm sending. Oh yeah, there's a sad story in this. There's a very sad story. Actually, maybe not, but it's still sad. Yeah. Yo, Ben needs help, bro. No. No, I did not kidnap him. Okay. But still, how many videos does this lady have? Wait, how long? Oh my gosh. Surely... Okay, that's impressive. I'm impressed.
But when I opened it up,
well, she's definitely better than me for sure.
He's been scooping it up the jar. Oh, in a really strange way, which is really ineffective.
Okay, so that was Ben of the week, and thank goodness he is touching and fondling peanut butter.
Vegan declaration day. Yeah, this Ben needs help.
Hello, students. We have wonderful news.
No one even cares. Yeah, I'm gonna watch this video.
As Sniper Wolf is well on her way to becoming vegan. She's already completed step 1, which is to put up her fists and fight the messengers, who are just here to tell the truth about...
No one even cares. Okay.
Hello, students.
Don't worry, I'm not sending this to all the videos. But bro, sending this video to a vegan teacher. Like a little kid eating KFC. They really did not need that music. They really did not need that. I only want So I'm gonna do the most popular. So I'm gonna do the most popular.
horrible way.
3. Most popular video. Eat your vegan teacher. Okay, I'm doing one more. Okay.
And PETA tweeted out,
No, actually.
So when somebody calls me by my legal name, I take it as a form of disrespect. That by itself makes me want to punch.
Nah. Okay, the last one. Should I do it? Oh, this is so... Okay, I'm doing it. Chris needs to stop paying people to rape, torture, confine, kidnap, and murder innocent animals. He never did a single thing wrong to her ever. Okay. So, bye guys. Subscribe.